it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have what I hope is going to be quite a quick project. It's another of my OnStage gifts, and this time it is a little nail file. So it's just the packaging for something really cheap and inexpensive, but just a bit of fun. So it's an envelope punchboard project. We're going to start with a piece of designer series paper that is 4.5 inches square. Now I've matched the designer series paper to the nail file, so this one is a bright pink and this one is a blue, and then I've got two that are this gorgeous grape colour. So you want to line up the edge of your designer series paper to the 3-inch mark and punch, and then the scoring tool, which actually lives just in there, you just score along this line here, turn your paper and line that score line up with this tick, and it does say score guide, so line that up with that tick and then punch and score and just keep going round until you've done all 4 sides. And it's as quick and simple as that. Needless to say, this is not a size of envelope that is on the card size, paper size guide. The envelope ends up very small. Let me measure it. It is roughly 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. So I've got a real selection of designer series paper, as I say. This is from the En Route pack, this is from the Toil and Trouble, and this is from the Garden Impressions. So just with your fingers, just fold the lines. Now you will notice that that is going to be a problem. So all I've done is fold them back on each other, and then with your paper snips, just cut along that edge and then along this edge, and you're good to go. So it's as simple as that. So just realised I need some ribbon out as well. So you fold your flaps in, your large flap up, then all you're going to do is grab your snail, which I had moments ago, here we are, snail, add some adhesive to just one side of the side flaps on both sides, and fold that over, slip your little nail file in. Now obviously you can adjust the measurements to suit your particular nail file, but this is quite a generous size, so it's not snug. It's just right. Then I'm going to grab my gorgeous grape, what do we call this, mini striped ribbon, and tie a bow around, because this is gorgeous grape designer series paper, so gorgeous grape ribbon, perfect match. And of course, you know, trying to tie a bow when you're also filming is one of those challenges of life that is just lovely, really. I can tie any number of bows when I've not got the camera running. It's like when you're typing, if someone's standing over you when you're typing, everything goes wrong. You can't spell, you can't do anything really. It's just one of those weird things. Just adjust the bow so that it's neat, and trim your ends. On a diagonal. Get rid of my ribbon. And Not the best bow I've ever tied, but it's probably fine. For some reason that's twisted. Right, so I want my ends coming that way. Right, scrap of Whisper White, and I mean a scrap. And then from the Itty Bitty Greetings, I've picked two. I've picked Hey Friend and For You, because we're friends and it's for them. And they just work. The Hey You is going to be a little bit tight on the punch that I'm going to use, but it's going to be fine. So Hey Friend and For You. Then classic label punch. And it just fits round the friend, only just. And then a real scrap of Gorgeous Grape. This is just an off-cut from cutting card mats. Never throw things away, that's what I say. And then a little bit of snail on the end. Come along. If you can get your snail to run, a little bit of snail on the end and apparently on your grid paper. And then just pop that at a jaunty angle. And then actually I just want to trim off the ends a little bit because I don't want them too long. And then a couple of glue dots. One, two. And then just pop that under your knot. And there you have a really simple little gift. I mean, for a cracker present or a table gift, that would do. Something went a bit odd with that one. I used the same measurements and obviously I didn't do something right. I think I probably scored at 4.5, 3.25 or something instead of 3. Anyway, it's worked. So I hope you enjoyed that. As I say, just a bit of fun and another of the little gifts that I am giving to my housemates next week. Well, this week as you see this. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you want any products, please do consider shopping with me if you're in the UK. Throughout the whole of November, I am running a prize draw. So for every £30 you spend at my online store using the host code, I cannot emphasise that enough, I will enter you for every £30 throughout the month that you spend with me. I will give you an entry into my prize draw for a set of many Marvellous markers. So if you fancy the chance of winning a full set of many Marvellous markers, that's the set as per the catalogue, £112.75 of value, then, as I say, shop with me in November, and if you shop 2 or 3 times, I'll just add that all together, divide by 30, and that will be the number of entries you get. So, yeah. Thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!